Hello everybody, what's going on? Hey, I am actually getting ready to attempt to cook a goose egg. Found it at the local farmer's market this morning, and it's my birthday month, so I decided that every week I'm going to do something, eat something that I've never eaten before. It's a pretty nice size. It's huge. It might look like a regular size egg, but it's not. Okay, I got my skillet going. Let me go ahead and crack this bad boy. Let me see how I'm going to hold the phone. Hold on 1 second. Good Lord Jesus. I'm about to put it down for a minute. Good Lord. Oh, snap. Oh, Lord. What's in here? Oh, goodness. It looks just like an egg, but good Lord, it was so hard to crack. Okay, I was able to pick it back up. Oh, my God. It's a goose egg. I thought a goose was in there for a minute. Let me show you how the shell crack. Oh Lord, look at that. It's actually, it was hard to crack. I ain't gonna sit here and lie. So, snap. It stinks. Yeah, it stinks pretty bad, people. Let me see. Let me try to pop open some, black folks put pepper on their stuff. So we're gonna sprinkle a little pepper on here. Not sure what kind of taste it's going to have, so I'm kind of being lenient with what I'm going to actually put. Black folks, we try this Lawry seasoning salt. I'm not going to put too much. Ouch! Good world. Just enough to sprinkle it. Like I said, I have no clue what's going to be going on. Let me try to grab a fork here, people. I don't really want a fried egg. I want a scramble. I eat egg scrambled. Okay. Oh, it's not even scrambling up like a regular egg. Good Lord, I don't know how this is going to taste at all. Oh, Lord Jesus. Well, you have witnessed it here, people. I'm actually cooking live a goose egg. This thing, that one little egg cost me $1.50. Let me see. They said cook it just like a scrambled egg. It ain't scrambling the same. I'm using that old school. You see that black skillet? You know how we do. That black skillet. That's been in everybody's family. Oh, Lord Jesus. Well, I don't know how this is going to taste, but believe me, I will know in a few minutes, and you are going to witness it with me. Okay, I'm trying to fry it down. Oh, Lord. Okay, I'm going to get a little bowl so I can see what's happening. Scoop it on out. Oh, Lord. I'm kind of excited to see what it's going to taste like. It don't look good, but shoot. The man that sold this to me at the farmer's market said that it can feed 2 people. I can't see. What kind of people you feed? Midgets? I mean, come on now. Oh, great. My phone is ringing. I don't know what's going on here today. Where is my phone? Who in the world? And it says, oh shoot, it's my mama. I gotta answer this. Oh well. Alright, well let me figure out how this is gonna taste and I'll let you know right now. Oh, it's not bad. It's not bad, but I wouldn't do it again. I ain't gonna lie to you. Well, I wouldn't do it again. It tastes like a rich, more like of a rich flavor egg. Peace.